Good afternoon, everyone. Mike Mills here from Remax Prestige Ocean Properties in Playa Panama today. And today I'm featuring a brand new listing. I was going to say take action number 35 because it feels like that's how long it's taken to do this video. Just trying to get used to doing these little additional videos like this. But anyways, here we go. We're going to give it a shot. So Villa Sol 30, great little unit, 2-bedroom, 1 bath in a resort community. It's about 240 square meters or about 2,500 square feet, including your outdoor pool and deck area. And there's a huge deck area, as you'll see, as your great outdoor living area. This is where you're going to have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, believe me. And you'll see as the video goes on. It's got vaulted ceilings, it's fully furnished, ready to move in. So you can either use it for 3 or 4 months out of the year, 1 month out of the year, rent it out the rest of the time to cover your annual costs for your HOA and your electricity and things like that. Great community. They have an on-site restaurant. They have shuttle service to the restaurant, to the other pools. There's 2 more large community pools that you're welcome to use. There is foosball. There's an on-site little grocery store. There is also a badminton court, basketball court, tennis courts. So it's a great amenity-packed little location. And as I said, you can hop on a shuttle. It'll take you right down to the beach, and there's beach chairs waiting for you for that sunset that you've been waiting for. So this is priced right. We went over this back and forth, and $189 is a great price for this unit. And the location's dynamite. Right in the heart of Playa Hermosa, you can walk to another dozen restaurants from here, and also we have a grocery store and pharmacy just down the street. Playa de Coco is about 10 minutes away, so you can take a cab there to explore. But really, everything you want, everything you need is right packed in Playa Hermosa. So let me say one more time, $189. All my information on this for my contact information is below at the end of this video. So I'm going to disappear now and start the video. So enjoy. Get back to me with any questions. Bye-bye now.